Toyota is about to release a pickup truck so practical and affordable that it will make every other option on the market look irrelevant. If you're frustrated by the fact that a basic work truck now costs over $30,000 and gets terrible fuel economy, the all-new Hilux Champ is Toyota's solution to that exact problem. While other manufacturers keep adding expensive features you don't need and raising prices every year, this truck strips away the nonsense and delivers a $12,000 workhorse that hauls more, tows better, and runs on 50 miles per gallon. Stay with us as we reveal 7 reasons why the all-new Toyota Hilux Champ makes the competition obsolete. Number 7. Endless options. Beyond standard pickup variants, Toyota is offering a chassis cab version that opens up possibilities most buyers never considered. Need a flatbed for your construction business? Want to build a custom camper setup? The platform is ready. One of the most frustrating experiences for small business owners is finding the perfect work truck. You're forced to buy an expensive commercial truck first, then shell out another $15,000 to $25,000 for the modifications you actually need. Total costs easily exceed $40,000 before your truck is even ready for work. The Hilux Champ's chassis cab approach changes everything. You start with an affordable base and build exactly what your business demands. No other affordable truck on the market offers this level of versatility from the factory. You're investing in exactly what you need, not paying for features you'll never use. But endless configuration options mean nothing if the actual cargo bed can't handle real work, which is exactly where most compact trucks fail completely. Number 6. Bed utility. Pickup buyers face a frustrating reality today. You either choose a compact truck with a tiny bed or spend $50,000 on a full-size model just to get usable cargo space. The Hilux Champ is eliminating this compromise. Toyota will offer 2 bed lengths that change the value equation completely. The standard configuration features a 5.9-foot bed, while the extended version stretches to an impressive 7.2 feet. You're getting cargo space that rivals expensive full-size trucks. The Ford Maverick's 4.5-foot bed suddenly looks inadequate. Ask anyone who owns a compact truck about their biggest frustration. They'll tell you about plywood hanging dangerously over the tailgate or camping gear crammed into the back seat because the bed was too short. These aren't minor inconveniences. That 7.2-foot bed solves these problems completely. Full sheets of plywood will lie flat. Longer construction materials won't require complicated tie-downs. The bed floor sits low enough for easy loading, while the walls stand high enough to contain bulky cargo. For anyone who actually uses their truck as a truck, this bed design delivers what overpriced alternatives promise but rarely provide. Of course, a big bed is worthless if the truck can't actually carry heavy loads, and that's where the Hilux Champ reveals another devastating advantage over the competition. Number 5. Payload and towing capacity. The maximum payload capacity will reach approximately 2,200 pounds. The Chevrolet Colorado maxes out around 1,500 pounds. The Ford Ranger hits roughly 1,800 pounds. The Hilux Champ, despite its smaller size and lower price, will outhaul both of them. Some full-size truck configurations don't even match those numbers. Expect the Hilux Champ to handle around 5,500 pounds when properly equipped for towing. Compare that to the Ford Maverick's 4,000-pound limit. The gap is substantial enough to matter in real-world use. Think about wanting to buy a boat or camper trailer but hesitating because you'd need to upgrade to a $45,000 mid-size just to tow it. That frustration costs people thousands in unnecessary truck payments every single year. The Hilux Champ eliminates that painful choice. That boat you've been wanting to tow? This truck handles it. The equipment trailer for your business? Covered. You're getting mid-size truck capability in a package that's easier to maneuver and thousands cheaper to buy. But payload and towing mean nothing if you can't actually reach the places where you want to use them, which brings us to one of the Hilux Champ's most underestimated capabilities. Number 4. Off-road potential. Ground clearance will measure around 8.7 inches, giving you legitimate trail capability without lift kits or expensive modifications. The short wheelbase creates impressive maneuverability on tight trails. Front and rear overhangs stay minimal, ensuring approach and departure angles that actually work in rough terrain. US buyers will receive a proper 4-wheel drive system as an available option. This isn't some half-hearted all-wheel drive setup. Toyota is equipping the Hilux Champ with a traditional 4-wheel drive system featuring a 2-speed transfer case. Low-range gearing will be available for serious off-road situations. Anyone who's explored forest roads knows the sinking feeling of watching bigger trucks sail through obstacles while you're stuck worrying about clearance. Modern compact trucks talk about adventure but ground out on moderate trails. The Hilux Champ's fundamentals solve these problems before they start. Lightweight construction means less momentum working against you. Better maneuverability means navigating obstacles with confidence. You're getting genuine off-road adventure without the $60,000 price tag Jeep Gladiator demands. All this capability Capability matters, but it's completely undermined if the powertrain can't deliver when you need it most, which is why what's under the hood changes everything. Number 3. Hybrid powertrain. Toyota will equip this truck with a proven hybrid system that's already conquered millions of miles in other vehicles. The foundation is a 2.0-liter inline-4 engine working in harmony with electric motors. This isn't experimental technology. It's battle-tested reliability that Toyota has refined over decades. Every truck owner has watched their fuel gauge drop during a simple weekend trip and felt that stomach punch. You're burning through $80 to $100 in fuel for routine drives while your neighbor's sedan costs $35 for the same distance. Over a year, those fill-ups drain thousands from your budget. That's why the Hilux Champ's efficiency matters so much. Expect combined ratings around 50 miles per gallon or better. The Ford Maverick Hybrid achieves 42 miles per gallon and gets praise for efficiency. The Hilux Champ is positioned to beat that by a significant margin. Your annual fuel costs could drop by hundreds of dollars. This hybrid system uses simple, proven components that will still run strong when competitors are facing expensive repairs. Great fuel economy saves you money, but only if you can actually drive the truck without constant frustration. And that's where modern pickups have created a daily nightmare most owners just accept. Number 2. It's easy to drive. The average full-size pickup now measures over 19 feet long and nearly 7 feet wide. Parking becomes a daily struggle. City driving creates constant stress. The Hilux Champ brings sanity back to the equation. Overall length will stay under 17 feet, while width remains manageable at approximately 5.8 feet. Those dimensions unlock real-world convenience that big trucks simply can't provide. The Hilux Champ eliminates daily battles. You'll actually fit in standard parking spaces. Shopping center parking lots stop being obstacle courses. The turning radius stays compact enough for U-turns on normal streets. Backing into your garage won't require a spotter. The Hilux Champ's shorter hood means you'll actually see what's directly in front of the truck. Driving this truck daily won't feel like operating commercial equipment. It's a tool that serves you, not a burden you manage. All these advantages sound impressive, but none of them matter if you can't actually afford the truck in the first place, which leads us to the most shocking revelation of all. Number 1. Price. Base models will start at approximately $12,000. Let that sink in for a moment. $12,000 for a brand new pickup truck with legendary Toyota reliability. The cheapest new trucks in America today cost more than double that amount. But this isn't some stripped-down penalty box. The hybrid powertrain provides efficiency competitors can't match. The payload capacity exceeds most midsize options. The bed utility rivals trucks costing 4 times as much. Configurability opens customization possibilities unavailable elsewhere. Most people delay buying a truck because the financial burden feels crushing. You're looking at $500 to $700 monthly payments stretching across 5 or 6 years. That's money not going toward retirement or the adventures you actually want. The Hilux Champ changes that calculation completely. At $12,000, you could pay cash and avoid interest entirely. Even with financing, payments would stay under $250 monthly. You're getting a brand new vehicle with warranty coverage, Toyota reliability, and actual utility for less than a used Camry. The automotive landscape is about to shift. When the Hilux Champ arrives, every other manufacturer will face uncomfortable questions. How do you justify $45,000 for a mid-sized truck when Toyota proves $12,000 works? The competition isn't just being challenged, it's being made obsolete. The Hilux Champ represents everything the truck market should have been all along. Instead of endless feature creep and inflated prices, Toyota focused on what actually matters: affordability, capability, efficiency, and reliability. A $12,000 price tag, 50 miles per gallon fuel economy, 2,200-pound payload, 5,500-pound towing capacity, and a 7.2-foot bed in a package you can actually park and drive comfortably. The question isn't whether you should wait for this truck. The question is how other manufacturers will survive once it arrives and exposes how much they've been overcharging for decades. Speaking of rivals justifying their price tags, Ford has just updated the Maverick. If you want to learn more about the key differences compared to the previous model, make sure to watch our next video. The new version gets a significant update in the form of an available all-wheel drive hybrid, so the electrified Maverick can finally tow enough and go off the road.